welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making this no-bake Oreo cheesecake. It's really simple and easy to make, and it tastes like you spent hours making it, but you didn't even put it in the oven. So I hope you guys can give this a try, and just make sure to keep on watching. So to start off with the crust, you're going to measure out 6 ounces of Oreos, which is around 15 cookies. And I find that when making the crust, you can use the cookies with all the filling intact. You don't need to separate them. Obviously for the last cookie I just used a half because I wanted to measure out 6 ounces perfectly. Once you've done that, just place the cookies into a Ziploc bag and seal that up. Use a rolling pin to just break up all the cookies until they are fine crumbs. Once that's done, just transfer all the crumbs into a separate bowl. And you want to add 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, and just use a spatula to evenly distribute the butter to make sure every crumb is coated. You'll know that the mixture is ready once you press it down firmly with your spatula and it holds its shape like wet sand. Now here I have a 9-inch springform pan. This is perfect for making cheesecake, so you can remove the outer edge later. I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to get one from Amazon. So just transfer the mixture into the pan. Use your hand or the side of a measuring cup or something like that to press it down firmly. Once that's done, just place this pan aside and grab a large bowl. To that bowl, you're going to add 1.5 cups of heavy cream and whip that with your mixer until you reach stiff peaks. Once your cream is whipped perfectly, just set that bowl aside. In a separate large bowl, you're going to add 2 packages of softened cream cheese, which is 16 ounces. Just beat that for a few minutes until it's pale and fluffy. And then you can add 1 cup of powdered sugar and beat that in. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl so that you don't leave any powdered sugar behind. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, along with a tablespoon of lemon juice. The lemon juice just kind of helps balance the cheesiness of the cheesecake and also helps thicken the mixture slightly. Don't worry, I took the lemon seed out. So continue beating the mixture until it is nice and combined. Then you're going to crush 12 Oreos. Make sure you don't crush them too finely because you kind of want the chunks of Oreos in your cheesecake. And just mix that in. And then you're going to add half of your whipped cream from earlier and just fold that in. Now you're going to add the rest of the whipped cream and just continue folding that through until everything is nice and combined. And that's it for your cheesecake filling. Now you're going to transfer the cheesecake filling into the pan. And then taking an offset spatula, just spread the filling out as evenly as you can. Since we aren't baking this cheesecake, we can't rely on the oven to level it out for us. I think that smoothing this out is just really satisfying. And it's like so perfect. Okay. Now you're going to take a paper towel just to scrape off any of the extra filling that got on the sides, just to make it look clean and nice. Then cover up the pan with some plastic wrap and let this sit in the fridge for about 5 hours or best overnight. Once the cheesecake has set in the fridge, just remove the plastic wrap and we're going to decorate the top. But first you want to loosen the edges of the pan just so that it releases nicely. So I took a spatula, or you can use a butter knife to just go around the edges. and just release the ring of the spring form. And here's our beautiful Oreo cheesecake. But to finish it off, I'm piping some whipped cream on the edges and also adding some quartered Oreos on each dollop. So here's the finished Oreo cheesecake. It's actually pretty light and creamy and not too heavy for a cheesecake. I really hope you guys can give it a try. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!